Today's tasty meal is roast pork. Now this is a family favourite, and to be honest with you, one of my favourite roasts. The hardest part of this meal is getting the crackling right. But as with anything, if you know the trick of it, you can easily get the crackling beautiful. Now before we start, I'd like you to subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and also like and share. It helps us to keep producing these wonderful recipes. So here we go. The first thing you want to do is make sure that you take out the pork the night before and let it thaw if it's frozen. Leave it in the fridge. Pull it out about an hour before you want to start and let it rest. Take a paper towel and pat down and make sure that the pork is dry. The next thing you need to do is to cut some large swipes into the skin of the pork. Not so far that they go into the actual meat, but just through the actual skin of the meat. Add some olive oil and plenty of salt. The next part of the cooking process is to set your air fryer at 200°C and let it warm up. Place the pork into the air fryer, face up, and leave it cook for 40 minutes. And then check it. If the crackling isn't fully cooked, then put it back in at 200 for another 10 minutes and then come back and check it. If it has fully cooked, then turn over the pork, turn down the air fryer to 180 and cook for another 40 minutes. The cooking time stated in this recipe are based on 35 to 30 minutes per kilo, depending on how well you want the roast cooked. Once you've cooked the roast, let it rest for 10 minutes before slicing. It can be served with baked potatoes, onions and carrots, or you can go the other way like I do with greens and mashed potato. It's all up to you. You've been listening to Philip Gale, and this is Philip's Cooking Recipes. Thank you very much. Bye for now.